Hello and welcome to this lecture. Now we proceed to the first step of the strategy formulation, which is exhaustive questionnaire. Step 1 consists of a questionnaire in the form of a checklist. It contains all the questions which I ask my consulting clients in order to gather the information or the action points under each dimension. The answers to these questions will form the first set of action points under each dimension that will form your business strategy. Now, let's proceed to the screencast where I will go through the checklist. So let's go through this screencast, and here are the questions in the questionnaire. Number 1, which competitors optimize each of the key dimensions in the best possible way and why? What can be improved further for each dimension more than the competitors which optimizes that particular dimensions the best? What are the key business partners in your opinion which will help you in optimizing along the 8 dimensions? What are the key skills and competences that will optimize your business along each dimension? Which skills and competences you already have and which one need to outsource and learn? What are the key action points for optimizing your business along each dimension? Write them down. What are the key skills that your firm excels at better than the top 3 competitors, and along which dimensions can these skills optimize your business? What are the skills that you lack as compared to top 3 competitors, and in which ways are they acting as hurdles in optimizing along different dimensions? What can you outsource to gain competitive advantage by making your processes more efficient and lower the costs too? Improving the products or service portfolio, serving more customers in less time. Can we collaborate and source skills, workforce, and resources from other businesses so that we can gain competitive advantage by making our processes more efficient and lower the costs? Improve the product or service portfolio, serve more customers in less time. What products and services are not profitable and becoming more competitive in my industry, or where price war has started, and how can I replace the identified products and services with more profitable ones? What upsells and cross sells can I add to my products and service portfolio to generate more revenue? What role does your brand perception play in optimizing your business along the 8 key dimensions? What role does your business relationships or your network play in optimizing your business along the key dimensions? As I told you during the course in one of the lectures, that each one of these 8 dimensions have a reinforcement effect. So in which ways does each dimension impacts the optimization along the other 7 dimensions, and how much of the other dimensions each one of your dimensions impacts currently, and how much impact do you see of each and every dimension over the other dimensions in the future? So at the end of step 1, you will get a list of action points under each dimension. So you have dimension 1, you will get all the action points listed under that. And these action points are essentially the answers to the questions in the questionnaire. So you just need to group them under each and every dimension so that you can get a strategy, a preliminary strategy for step 1. It is not the final strategy because we still have to go through the step 2 of the strategy formulation process. Thank you very much for your time, ladies and gentlemen, and let's proceed to the second step of the strategy formulation process.